the pallbearers just bringing out King Richard III's remains, carried in a coffin. They're going to place it on that small trestle in front of the university building. Coffin, people may not be aware, was made by a direct descendant of Richard III, a man called Michael Ibsen. Now Philippa Langley in the centre, who perhaps most famously helped to lead to all the events of the last couple of years. It was her determination really and her drive that really had started this whole process, got things going, enabled the dig to happen, and ultimately Richard III's remains to be discovered. And finally, those distant relatives of Richard III, those who donated their DNA so that they could help to identify the remains that were found in 2012.